Dear friends, today we are going to study chapter number 3 Ionic Equilibria part 3. This video contains following points: solubility product, common ion effect, solubility equilibria, sparingly soluble salts or sparingly soluble compounds. The compounds which dissolves very slightly in water are called sparingly soluble compounds. म्हणजेच जे कंपाऊंड पाण्यामध्ये कमीत कमी प्रमाणामध्ये विरघळतात अशा कंपाऊंडला म्हणायचं स्पेरिंगली सोल्युबल कंपाऊंड्स. When silver chloride is mixed with water, very less quantity of silver chloride dissolves in water. Saturated solution is obtained and there is equilibrium between the solution and the ions. This equilibrium is dynamic equilibrium. Equilibrium constant K is equal to concentration of Ag plus ion into concentration of Cl minus ion divided by concentration of silver chloride. But for sparingly soluble salts, concentration of salt is constant. So equation becomes K is equal to concentration of Ag plus ion into concentration of Cl minus ion divided by K dash. And the equation becomes K into K dash is equal to concentration of Ag plus ion into concentration of Cl minus ion. The product of K and K dash is another constant and is called as solubility product, KSP. So KSP is equal to concentration of Ag plus ion into concentration of Cl minus ion. General salt solubility equilibrium. Salt BXAY solid gives B y plus ion coefficient x plus a raised to x minus coefficient y, and solubility product is represented concentration of B raised to y plus ion raised to x and concentration of A raised to x minus raised to y. In the saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt, the product of equilibrium concentrations of constituent ions raised to the power equal to their respective coefficients in the balanced equilibrium expression at a given temperature is called solubility product. Examples: barium sulfate gives Ba plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. So solubility product is equal to concentration of Ba plus 2 ion into concentration of SO4 minus 2 ion. Next example, calcium fluoride gives Ca plus 2 and 2F minus ions. Solubility product Ca plus 2 concentration and concentration of F minus ion raised to 2. Next example, bismuth sulfide gives 2 ions of bismuth plus 3 ions of sulfide. Solubility product multiplication of concentration of bismuth Bi plus 3 raised to 2 and concentration of S minus 2 ion raised to 3. Next example, calcium phosphate gives 3 ions of Ca plus 2 plus 2 ions of phosphate PO4 minus 3. Solubility product concentration of Ca plus 2 raised to 3 into concentration of PO4 minus 3 raised to 2. Relation between solubility and solubility product. Solubility is defined as The solubility of a compound is the amount in grams that dissolves per unit volume, which may be 100 ml or 1 liter of its saturated solution. Molar solubility. The number of moles of compound that dissolves to give 1 liter of saturated solution is called its molar solubility. And formula: molar solubility, moles per liter, is equal to solubility in grams per liter divided by molar mass in gram per mole. Solubility equilibrium for salt BXAY solid, which gives By plus ion with coefficient X in aqueous condition and Ax minus ion with coefficient Y in aqueous condition. So solubility product is equal to concentration of By plus ion raised to X into concentration of Ax ion raised to Y. If S is the molar solubility of the compound, the equilibrium concentrations are represented as concentration of By plus ion is equal to X into S mole per liter and concentration of Ax ion is equal to X S mole per liter, and solubility product is written solubility product is equal to concentration of Xs raised to X, concentration of Ys raised to Y is equal to X raised to X, Y raised to Y, and S raised to X plus Y. And this is the relation between solubility product and solubility. X raised to X into Y raised to Y into S raised to X plus Y. Let us see how solubility and solubility product is related with each other with the help of different examples of salts. For sparingly soluble salt silver bromide, it gives Ag plus ion in aqueous solution and Br minus ion in aqueous solution, and the values of X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1 respectively. Coefficient of Ag is 1, coefficient of Br minus is 1, so X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. And the formula of KSP is X raised to X into Y raised to Y into S raised to X plus Y. So value of X is 1. So 1 raised to 1 into 1 raised to 1 into S raised to 1 plus 1. It becomes S square. So this is S square. Second example, PbI2 sparingly soluble salt gives Pb plus 2, 1 ion means coefficient 1 and 2 ions of I minus, coefficient is 2. Here value of X is 1 and value of Y is 2, and we know the formula KSP is equal to X raised to X into Y raised to Y into S raised to X plus Y. So 1 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2 into S raised to 1 plus 2. This 1 raised to 1 means 1, 2 raised to 2 means 4 into S raised to 3. It becomes 4S cube. So this is the solubility product of PbI2. In this example, aluminum hydroxide gives 1 ion of Al plus 3 and 3 OH minus ions. Here value of x is 1, means coefficient is 1. Value of y, coefficient is 3. And formula KSP is equal to x raised to x into y raised to y into s raised to x plus y. So value of x is 1 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3 into s raised to 1 plus 3. It becomes 1 into 27 into s raised to 4. So 27 s raised to 4 KSP solubility product becomes 27 s raised to 4. Condition for precipitation. Ionic product IP of an electrolyte is defined in the same way as to the solubility product KSP. The only difference is ionic product expression contains concentration of ions under any condition, whereas expression of KSP contains only equilibrium concentration. IP any condition and KSP at equilibrium condition. So first condition for precipitation, if IP is equal to KSP, means ionic product is equal to the solubility product, solution becomes saturated and solubility equilibrium exists. Second condition, IP means ionic product is greater than solubility product, solution becomes supersaturated, hence precipitation of compound will occur. Third condition, if ionic product is less than solubility product or solubility product is greater than ionic product, the solution is unsaturated and precipitation will not occur. Common ion effect. Consider an example of weak acid and its salt of strong base. This is weak acid, acetic acid, and this is a salt of weak acid with a strong base, sodium acetate. Weak acid dissociates lightly to give acetate ion plus H plus ion, and sodium acetate dissociate to give acetate ion and Na plus ions. Sodium acetate is a salt of strong electrolyte, so dissociate completely, almost completely in the solution to give acetate ion and Na plus ion. Acid produce acetate ion and salt produce acetate ion. Both acid and salt produce acetate ions in the solution, and sodium salt of acid dissociate completely to give acetate ion and Na plus ions. So the concentration of acetate ion increases according to Le Chatelier's principle. The addition of acetate ions from sodium acetate to acid, the equilibrium is shifted towards left hand side or in the reactant side. Thus reverse reaction occurs, or reverse reaction is favored, in which acetate ion combined with H plus ion, and hence dissociation of weak acid decreased or suppressed due to the common ion, acetate ion. common ion effect states that the ionization of weak electrolyte is suppressed in presence of strong electrolyte containing an ion common to weak electrolyte. Common ion effect and solubility. The presence of common ion affect the solubility of sparingly soluble salt. Consider an example of sparingly soluble salt, silver chloride, which gives silver plus ion and Cl minus ion in the aqueous solution, and the solubility product is expressed in the form of equation Ksp is equal to concentration of Ag plus ion into concentration of Cl minus ion. Suppose silver nitrate is added to the saturated solution of silver chloride. The salt silver nitrate is a strong electrolyte and dissociate completely to form Ag plus ion and NO3 minus ion. And dissociation of AgCl and AgNO3 produce common ion, Ag plus common ion. The concentration of Ag plus ion in the solution increases, and due to this Ag plus ions, according to Le Chatelier's principle, addition of Ag plus ion from silver nitrate to the solution, AgCl shifts the equilibrium towards reactant side or right to left, and precipitation is favored until the equilibrium and the value of Ksp remains same. Since it is an equilibrium constant and the solubility of sparingly soluble salt decreases with presence of common ion in solution.